here's my friends. We got some goods. Whose shoes are these?
Delaney's gonna try them on.
Those are so cute. Hey, we have some dressy things, but like we like loungewear, but it's still cute. Like we found like, this is a Champion, but we're trying to find a cuter.
For moms.
Yeah. Cause you can like cut up things like show the
shorts,
lucky,
the
lucky ones. See, like we could like make this lucky brand. You can just like cut it because no one wants Bermuda shorts. But yeah. Yellow, because yellow's in right now. I don't know if I could dress this up. It's got like a tie. So these are Ralph Lauren. I didn't even know.
They're so cute.
I don't know what size they are though,
I think they're high-waisted, I think.
Oh my gosh. Here, wait, show like
I feel like. Wait here. Want me to hold them up?
Yeah. We have like Dunkin' on our hands. Those could be cute.
You can roll the bottom of them and rip them.
Yes. Okay.
Cut it into a skirt because it's like weird short.
That's very like spring and summery.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should definitely cut it.
Yeah, no, that'd be cute though.
Yeah, I like that. Pink. Okay, like I'm
so
sorry.
cute. So Emma.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
So
it.
Okay. And then it's like we find these weird stuff like I believe, and those are ghosts. I honestly should get that just to get it. Oh my god.
Wait, but honestly though, would I wear this in October? Probably.
Oh my god, that's so true. Halloween. Wait. Okay, so if anyone's looking for a Halloween costume for a clown,
Goodwill.
do they have jean jackets? Oh my god. So cute. Loungewear. Minions.
Oh, I have a cardigan for you, Tish. Okay.
I love it.
Guys, I can't put in this man right now.
So we have a full cart. And this is what we do at 9 a.m. on what's today? Yeah, today's Tuesday. It's Tuesday morning. We're just thrifting. This is Ralph Lauren too. Yeah. Our Goodwill is literally huge.
What? Do you have any purple tags? They're 50% off.
Smell this. I'm getting this candle.
They're 50%
That literally smells so good. What does that say?
Vanilla cupcake.
That smells so
This is
good.
50% off.
Smell this candle.
This is
Literally so much. We're gonna like show you guys a haul of what we got. So stay tuned. I actually found good stuff, which I wasn't expecting at all. Hey guys, it's Emma. Hey, I'm sorry, I just had to get it out.
I'm Delaney.
I'm Lexi.
And I'm Natalie.
And these are my A1 since day one. There also, if you guys have seen my Black Friday haul, if you guys have been subscribed since then, they're in that video. But today we decided to go thrift shopping. One just opened right where we live. We decided as broke college students that this would be a great video for us because we don't have that much money, and we decided to also pairing the outfits with staple items that we already have in our closet. Alright, so let's just get right on with the video. So I got these jean shorts. They just have the stripes down the side, and it also has a little tie in the front that's white, and I just tied that. And yeah, they're just super cute. I can totally see myself wearing this out in the summer, especially for 4th of July. I just think they're super cute. And they fit really nice. Alright, so I also got this little t-shirt dress. It's supposed to be a t-shirt, but it's an extra large. And it kind of reminds me of Patagonia a little bit. And yeah, it's just really, really comfy. It's just one of those things that you can lounge around in and make it work. I just paired it with Converse.
Okay, so first I got this shirt, and it's just like Duck Beer, like from The Simpsons, with my sunglasses and my jeans. So in the summer, I literally just wear t-shirts every day. So I found these like Champion t-shirts, and I was so excited because usually you get one of these for like $25, and this was $2. And I got them in 2 colors, and then I got the exact same shirt but in blue. But I didn't cut this one because I'm just gonna like tie it up.
So I got these nice pair of shoes, and they're actually brand new. They still have the tags on them, and they were only like $4.99, and it can really go with like anything. So I also got this little cardigan. I think it's just really casual and nice to go with like some white jeans or something. And it was also really cheap, so it's a plus. And it's also Ralph Lauren, so this was probably like really expensive. $3.
Okay, so I got these Ralph Lauren jeans, and I was so surprised when I saw these, and they also have like a bell bottom at the end, and they're super cute, and they actually fit really, really nice, and I like wasn't expecting that at all. I also got this yellow little blouse top, I guess you could say. And yellow has been really in lately, and it's very summery. And so I just paired it with those jeans too. And so the whole outfit was basically, except for the shoes, I got actually a TJ Maxx, and they're super cheap. It's just giving me retro vibes. So
next I got this like jean jacket blazer, and it's from Banana Republic, and it's only $10, and usually it would be like, I don't know, probably like 70 or 80. And I like paired it with a cute Ralph Lauren shirt, but I would just throw it in the spring like over any outfit.
I got more t-shirts. That's literally all I wear. So I got this one I'm wearing right now. It just says Boston on it, and it's really cute, and it reminded me of Brandy Melville. They have all those shirts that just have like locations and stuff on them. Those are super expensive, and this was $3, so it was definitely a steal. It was just be cute to throw on in the summer.
okay, so I also did get a baggy t-shirt. I tried to dress it up a little bit, so I paired it with a basic black denim jean skirt, and then I just put some Converse on, and yeah, it's actually from Old Navy, and I got it for $4. So yeah, I just think it's cute because you can dress it down or dress it up. I also got something fancy, and it is a red Forever 21 dress. It was actually new with tags, and I got it for $5, and it was originally $11.80. Just a peplum dress, and I'm definitely gonna wear this out on dates and with my boyfriend. So yeah.
So I got this shirt. It's very me. It's very Nantucket. And I really like it because it's super soft and it's very casual. Like you can like either put it with some like cute jeans, or like you can dress it up or dress it down. So it's super preppy. I like how the colors like can really go with anything.
Last two things I got were this that I'm wearing, a green shirt just like Emma's from Old Navy, and then this green Champion hoodie that Emma found. Shout out to you. And these are all three just things that I would like lounge around in at home. Like when I went to school, I took a bunch of cute clothes with me, and I didn't wear any of them. All I wore was sweatshirts and t-shirts and big comfy stuff, so that's why I got a lot of that.
So I got another t-shirt because that's literally all I got. I got this cute Ohio State t-shirt, and it's a men's extra large, but I just cut it so it's like comes like right to where your waist is. But I think this will be so cute just to wear because obviously like, we live in Ohio, so Ohio State's like.
I also got a Cleveland Indians shirt, and I also cut it too, and I just paired it with some basic white shorts that everyone has in their closet. Overall, I think this was really cute, and it was $6.
So I got this like flannel looking jacket, and it's really cute. It zips up and everything, and it was half off, so it was $2. And it has like a hood in the back and everything, and it would be really nice to wear like on like a summer night to like a campfire or something.
That's cute.
Yeah, it'd be cute to like put over a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, that's cute
in the fall too.
Yeah. So then I also got just a cute little red jacket, and it was from Blue Route Clothing Company, and I got it for $5. And I just really like the color red. I just think it looks really good, and it has like a quarter zip. It also really good material too, and it has pockets, so I just think it's absolutely perfect. I think this would be good for the fall and like bonfires in the summer when it gets a little bit more cold and you want to throw on something.
Okay, but the last thing I got was just this hat, and I wasn't gonna get it because it's a Phillies hat, and like, I mean, I'm totally a fake fan. But it's a P, which is like,
it's P for Philibom. You can make whatever you want.
So I have this cute little hat, and I think red is my favorite color, like as for summer for sure, just because I usually wear black and white, but I think red's such a good accent color. So I pair this with like a basic white tank top and my red joggers.
The last thing, and it is just a powder pink little kind of half turtleneck shirt, long sleeve shirt. that was like an awful way to describe it. But yeah, it's just really cute. You can just see in the video that it's cute.
Purchase of the day.
Yeah, honestly, like
So you.
I'm like so excited about this. It was $6. Like you can wear this in the fall with like jeans, or like I did for the summer, you can put a jean skirt on with some cute little white booties, because I will actually be wearing this a lot. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also comment down below which outfit was your favorite, and also if you guys want to see these girls again, they'll definitely be in more videos because
we're all home for the summer.
Exactly. So stay tuned for that and subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.